Over.
Vu2 Sierra Yankee Delta, this is Vu3 Charlie Golf Bravo. How do you copy now? Over.
Roger. Vu3 Charlie Golf Bravo, Vu2 Sierra Yankee Delta returning. 9 copy, sir. Your copy. 58, 5 and 8, 5 signals. Vu3 Charlie Golf Bravo, V2SYD, over.
Vu2 Sierra Yankee Delta, this is Victor United 3 Charlie Golf Bravo. Thank you for the report. ICOM, how much watt are you transmitting right now? I am at 10 watts. Over.
Roger. I'm on the CP22E antenna, which you know is 6.5 dB gain, and it is the same height as yours, and power out port, it is 35 whiskey, Vu3 Charlie Golf Bravo, V2SYD, over.
35 whiskies, okay, Roger. In between our line of sight, there is a new building constructed, so I think our transmission and reception will be blocked partially.
V3 Charlie Golf Bravo, V2SYD, that's 9 copy, 58, 5 and 8. I'm not looking at the S meter, but what I'm hearing, as per my hearing, I'm just giving you this 5 and 8 report. Not so bad, but I can hear you. But maybe, I don't know. I'm around at least double of your. No, your. What is the radio power you're using here? The radio and the power output now.
Vu2SYD, Vu3 CGV returning. Setup is the same setup SYD, my IC705, and the power output is 10 watts, full output power, and the antenna is Diamond CP22E. QSL, over.
Okay, QSL on the radio and the Diamond antenna, the power output. I heard you all okay. 58 you are coming. Okay, no problem. So I can say it is a bit, at least 5 more, 5 I can increase to 40 from 35. I won't go to the maximum limit, just to be, maintain some precaution. I will go there, but I can go a little bit higher. Charlie Golf Bravo,
Yes, please increase the power. QRO, please.
44 whiskey. Charlie Golf Bravo, V2SYD, over.
Now you have 5 and 9 blasting, like your audio was not chopping actually, but there was background sound like chick 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 steam engine. Now it is gone. Over.
The radio I am using, as you know, that Fox Tango 857 Delta. I was mistakenly going to say 891. Sorry, it is a 857 Delta. The whole radio. And parallelly I got another radio on the Q2HF IC703 plus. But my HF antenna is totally down. It came down. So hardly it has some elevation, just on the ground, all crumbled up. Very bad state. The HF antenna is right now. Charlie Golf Bravo, V2SYD, over.
I don't know what is the condition of my antenna, but for sure the HF antenna is gone, because there was some construction work going on, because I am not able to receive any HF signals. and when I TX the SWR is very high, so I am hoping that the antenna is down or some cable fault might be there. Vu2SYD, Vu3CGB, over.
Vu3 Charlie Ball Bravo, Vu2SYD, returning fine copy, solar 558. Because sometime I heard you as 56, but the maximum it is 58. That is the report. And what else? Nothing more, anything to say. Nowadays I don't do any experiments, any projects or any pending work, just relaxing. Not much to do in ham radio. Charlie Ball Bravo, Vu2SYD, over.
QSL on that. I am also not doing any homebrew for around more than 1 year. You know, I was not medically fit. I had movement problems, so by the grace of God everything is okay now, but still I don't get much of time to do any homebrewing or do any QSOs.
No need to increase. There's no information for you. Charlie Ball Bravo. So you are now live on the Facebook. You are live right now, over?
No, I'm not live. I'm just recording. I may give it on some forum later on. Is that a QSL? Vu2SYD, Vu3CGB, over.
Roger, Vu3CGB, Vu2SYD, return. So, say you are one and we are all around maybe 100 people logged in, 100 people watching you. So there will be any space on the LCD of yours divided by 100. So if everybody happens to be on two-way communication, what I am asking, that means two-way is not possible at all, isn't it, over?
No, two-way is possible. It is quite possible. But it will be whoever is receiving the stream in their mobile phones can communicate with me directly. They can give some likes or dislikes or emojis, or they can write some text comments which I will be able to view on the same screen. QSL, you might have seen people who go live, generally celebrities or famous people, all their followers, they keep on sending messages, likes, emojis, so the whole screen is full of these messages, over.
Roger. Okay, that means in form of text, in the form of emoji, text, I can send a visual contact. A visual contact can be established online.
Vu2SYD, Vu3CGB, QSL. So nice QSO-SYD, and I'll have to go for lunch. So thank you for the nice QSO, and hope to see you down the log again. And let's make our HF sets ready, and then we can also enjoy HF. I am actually missing HF for long, so very soon I'll correct my HF antenna and come on air.
Okay, no problem. I'll try, but I'm not ready yet because I need to dismantle the previous antenna, just recheck once and install. So this will take some time. It can be done immediately. So you can book QRT now, 73 Sorok, nice contact. Hope to meet you again, and thanks for giving me a chance to be on air. For a long time I was out of air. No problem, I'll just catch up with you all. If I come regularly, all will be okay. So 73 Surab, have your lunch and enjoy your lunch. Vu3 Charlie Golf Bravo, Vu2SYD for the final. Bye bye.
See you later. Bye bye. This is Vu3 CGB going QRT, over and out.
Okay, bye, over and out.